Okay, we have the El Cholo hooked up. We have our LTO battery bank. We just tuned it and we're sitting right around 14.91. And we are gonna do a simple run. I'm gonna power the amp up and we're gonna do a 4 ohm dynamic power run. Now, at 4 ohms, this thing is supposed to be able to create 3,500 watts, which would be very impressive. So, I'm gonna go ahead and power the amp up. We see the LED light. You see the voltage sitting at 14.9, 14.8. I am then gonna go to mode dynamic power run. This is mono. We do have the jumpers made. And then we're gonna go to 4 ohm. And we're gonna follow this. So it says go to track 1 and start dyno. Okay, pause. So we were right at 2941 at 14.3. Now, when we tuned this, we basically had it at flat. So I want to get that 3,500 watts because I want to get the 4 ohm at that. So I'm going to retune the amp and then we're going to rerun this and we're going to retune it. So let's go to dynamic, mono, 4, go to track 1, start dyno. There we go. So we jumped up to 4503. Let me pause this. 4503 at 14.27. So it's set at 4 ohm. See that? Kicked out some power now by turning the gain up. All right, so let's do a 2 ohm run. Dynamic 2 ohm. Mono, start dyno. So that did 83.97. Right at, on the dyno was at 1407, it dropped down to. You got that?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so what did we hit?
Second time, 83.97.
Right, which is way over the 7,000.
Yeah.
Okay, and we're definitely conservative with tuning because we have it basically at no dB overlap.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna get the juice back up right to about 15, so it drops down. And then we're gonna run a 1 ohm dynamic. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, 1 ohm dynamic. See, you can see I'm putting Ben into this more. Ben actually helped me wire and clamp and use Big Bertha. I don't know if you saw that. We were using the ring terminals. Okay, I'm just gonna get it right below 15 so it sits around 14.9 and it'll drop. All right, amp is ice cold. Okay, are we ready, Ben?
Yes.
So we're gonna do a 1 ohm dynamic. Track 1, start dyno.
Oh.
Okay, so 15.466 at 14.20 on the SMD. Okay, so we were at what? We hit
15.466
right
at 14.20.
at 14.20, right? Okay. So I say, Ben, we give a little bit to the gain. What do you think, Ben?
Sure, why not? We always like more power.
More power. Let's see what we can get this thing dynamically under 15 volts doing. And then we will actually tune it for the certifieds. But right now, it's doing pretty good.
Yeah.
Turn this amp on. We are gonna go dynamic power, mono. Next, we are gonna go to 1 ohm, enter, track 1, start dyno. jumped right to 15,002 watts at 14.02. We did dynamically at 1 ohm at 1402, so real power. How many watts? 15,000 watts.
Yeah.
Great. I think we can squeeze a little bit more out of it.
A little more is the game.
You think so?
Yeah. I mean,
What happens if I blow this up and everybody's like, you blew it up?
we just wanted more power.
We're gonna do one more run. One of them I'm gonna try to squeeze a little bit more out. Runs, we're gonna figure this out, but we're gonna piece it together, right? Let me try to get what we can get out of this thing dynamically, all right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna turn this baby back on. I'm still working on the bass head garage, don't just discount that. But I also have some amperage. We're gonna rerun 1 ohm dynamic. Track 1, start dyno, here we go. So we got 15,390 at 14 volts, which at 14 volts is really good. So that tells me, and our meter here ain't working, why? We're out of batteries. So we'll get this on the other parts of this video, everybody, because I need batteries. Okay, but 14 volts, we're able to create 15,000.
390. 14 volts.
Right, I think we can get more. Don't you think we can get more?
Yeah. Oh.
I think we can get more. Okay, we are turning this bad boy back on. And we are gonna run the last dynamic 1 ohm. Okay, we're right under 15 volts. So we're gonna go mode, dynamic, mono, 1, track 1, start dyno. Here we go. Okay, it's definitely working because the speaker wires are twitching. And we got 15,821 at 1406. So that was pretty good. And this thing was kicking out that 15,000 because let me see the Big Jeff cam. These wires were pulsating. So we know that thing was kicking. Okay, so dynamic run. We're gonna kill it today because we're gonna do multiple runs. We really want to see what this amp could do. We're gonna hit it back to back, right? And then we're gonna charge up our banks. We're gonna look into retuning. I do need to get batteries for this, y'all, because I wanna see what the amperage pull is. We wanna give you full data. So this could be broken up into multiple videos, and at the end, one big giant video, and hopefully you like along. Hey, I'm Big Jeff from Big Jeff Online Inc. Also, B2 Audio USA. We're talking about the new El Cholo. So far, dynamically, we're able to get over 15,000 watts at like right at 14 volts. That's where it's dropping down to. So I think pretty impressive for me. Okay, I'm signing off. If you watch this video, stay tuned. We're gonna have multiple parts. So Ben, we're gonna call this the dynamic part 1. Then we'll do uncertified and certified, all right? So we're gonna break this up and have some fun. Thank you for watching along. Leave a comment, hit that like button, share it out. We're gonna get better and better. I know this is different than normal because we're actually gonna break this up into parts. And I wanted to break down how we hook it up. So part 2, we'll actually go through the wiring, the amperage, everything else, and we'll go uncertified. I'll see you on the next video. Okay, so here we have the El Cholo. Setting voltage is 14.84.
Let's go back.
What?
The microphone. We
Oh, man.
forgot about the microphone.